What letter is this? That one. Jacket and jeans. Next is, what's that? What letter? Daddy King. How about this? Lamp. Yeah. They're the same, no? Yeah. How about this? Look. Moon and what? What's the other one? Monkey. How about this? What letter is this? Kira? Nurse. Very good. How about that? What letter is that? What's this? Huh? Oh no. Oh, what letter is this? Ostrich. How about this? Parrot. How about this? What letter is this? Queen. Mommy queen. How about this? What's this? Very good. Next. What's this? What's this? Kira, look. Sun and shoe. Oh no. How about this? What's this? Look. What letter? Look. T. Choo-choo train. Whoops. What's this? Look. No. No. What letter is this? U. Umbrella. How about this? What's this? No. What letter is that? This one. V. Violin. And vase. Flowers. What's this? What letter? Look. Look. Very good. Yeah. How about this? What's this? Xylophone. You're playing the xylophone? Wow. Next, what's this? Very good. How about this?
Zebra.
Yeah.